Hi my loves, how are ya? Because of the wedding and prom season, I decided to share a very quick hairstyle that you can do in less than minutes yourself. So we'll begin by making a parting on the side we like, and then we want to divide all our hair into 3 equal sections and make with them 3 ponytails.
So much better. Balconies and bathtubs, what you want? Why don't we just get a place together?
Then you want to loosen a little bit the top. Now you want to grab one of the ponytail, divide it into 2 sections, twist each section around itself one way and then twist them around each other opposite way. So basically, as you can see, this is a raw braid. You want to tug on the edge of the braid. So basically you twist around itself each strand one way and then you twist them around each other opposite way. Then you want to tug on the edge of the braid again, tie the ends using a clear elastic.
With big windows up on the 3rd floor.
And repeat these braids on other 2 ponytails left.
We just get a place together.
Now you want to twist your braid, creating an S shape and pin it in place. You want to hide the ends underneath like I'm showing, and then you want to grab your second braid, roll it, hide the ends and pin it in place, creating a nice shape of the bun. When you are reaching your 3rd braid, you want to fill in all the gaps created between those 2, pin them in place, some hairspray to fix it, loosen again your top to make it voluminous and nice and looking, and your prom or wedding hairstyle is ready. But because it's so easy to make it, you can wear it on daily basis as well. Tell me please in comments down below what you think about it. And guys, if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification button to be notified 3 times a week when I post a new hair tutorial. Also, if you have any hairstyles requests, please leave them in comments down below. Love you guys, see you soon in my next video. Bye!